In today's world, for sustainable and independent ways to live, and one of the most crucial aspects of that journey is securing clean water. Off-grid water solutions have quickly become a key part of this movement, allowing families and entire communities to access fresh water without relying on traditional infrastructure. This isn't just about being environmentally conscious, it's about preparing for the unexpected, from natural disasters to system failures, and taking control of the most essential resource for survival. One of the most exciting breakthroughs in this space is the rise of DIY water generators. These systems are designed to capture moisture from the air and transform it into drinkable water using simple principles like condensation and filtration. What makes them so appealing is their flexibility. You can build one that's tailored to your specific climate, your personal water needs, and your energy setup, making it a powerful tool for self-reliance. The idea might sound futuristic, but it's already a reality. One retired Army Ranger has shown just how effective this technology can be. After his time in the military, he took that experience and applied it to helping people, building atmospheric water generators that pull clean water from the air and deploying them in areas hit hardest by drought or contamination. His work proves that the tools used in defense can be repurposed for peace, protecting civilians and strengthening communities by solving real-world problems. Interestingly, this growing interest in off-grid water systems comes at a time when there are also reports of large-scale military preparedness happening across the country. Journalists and investigators have uncovered patterns in these operations that suggest a much broader strategy, a readiness not just for conflict, but for extreme environmental and societal changes. While interpretations vary, one thing is clear: many of the tactics and technologies developed for national security are starting to make their way into civilian life. At the same time, the role of the media in uncovering and sharing this information is more important than ever. Stories that never make it to prime-time news often contain the most critical insights, like unaired footage, leaked documents, or first-hand interviews, that help paint a fuller picture of what's happening behind the scenes. And when citizens are informed, they can make smarter decisions about how to protect themselves and their families. What we're seeing now is a merging of worlds, military innovation meeting civilian creativity. Knowledge once reserved for defense is now helping everyday people build systems that are smarter, tougher, and more resilient. DIY water generators are a perfect example of this transformation, showing that strategic thinking and self-sufficiency can go hand in hand. By embracing these technologies, people are doing more than just preparing for emergencies, they're reclaiming their independence. In a world where the climate is unpredictable and geopolitical tension is rising, being able to create your own clean water source is more than a convenience, it's a form of empowerment. It's a step toward true resilience. In the end, the growing popularity of off-grid water solutions is about more than survival. It's about building a future where people are no longer helpless when systems fail. It's about innovation, awareness, and action. And it's about ensuring that no matter what happens in the world around us, we're ready, with clean water, peace of mind, and the power to stand on our own.